Let's look at how to use the planning poker game to estimate here. 6 key steps to estimate in relative size using story points with planning poker game. Each of the estimator from the team is given a deck of cards. The cards have the Fibonacci sequence number on them. A story is taken, the product owner explains the story, team members can ask questions, product owner clarifies the questions. Once everyone is clear about the scope of the story, they secretly estimate it and do not reveal the card until they are asked to show. Then the facilitator, usually the Scrum Master, asks the team to show the cards. Team members show their estimates. If the estimates are same, excellent. Take that as the estimate for that story and move on with the next story. If the estimated numbers from the team members are different, they can discuss the differences. Usually the outliers means the lowest estimator and the highest estimate. We ask them why they estimated to those numbers. They explain different reasons to the team. We learn from their thinking, and any work that they saw and we did not see, for example, we bring in our cross-functional behavior and understanding together, and if needed, we use a re-estimate. Planning poker is an iterative estimation game. It's not a game where majority rules. We estimate until we converge on the understanding of the product functionality with respect to the scope of this particular story, any technical understanding, re-estimate the same story in another loop if need be. That's what is iterative approach of estimation using planning poker game.